Fractions. Topics covered: equivalent fractions, fraction in the simplest form, types of fractions, equivalent fractions, fractions in lowest terms or in simplest form, comparison of fractions. Equivalent fractions. Figures A and B shown below show that the same fractional parts are shaded. Fractions that name the same amount are called equivalent fractions. Thus, 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 are equivalent fractions. We can write equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number like 2, 3, etc. Thus, 1 by 2, 1 into 2 by 2 into 2, 1 into 3 by 2 into 3, 1 into 4 by 2 into 4, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are all equivalent fractions. Fraction in the simplest form. A fraction is in its simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Fractions 1 by 3, 4 by 5, and 7 by 9 are in their simplest form. In 1 by 3, there is no common factor of 1 and 3 except 1. Likewise, the only common factor of 4 and 5 in 4 by 5 is 1, and of 7 and 9 in 7 by 9 is also 1. The fraction 8 by 10 is not in simplest form because 2 is a common factor of 8 and 10. Expressing a fraction in the simplest form. To reduce a fraction to its simplest form, keep dividing by common factors until the only common factor is 1. Example 1. Express 6 by 8 in its simplest form. Solution. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. The common factor is 2. Divide 6 and 8 by 2. 6 by 8 equals to 6 divided by 2 by 8 divided by 2 equals to 3 by 4. In actual practice, the division process is shown by cancelling out 6 and 8 by 2 as 6 by 8 equals to 3 by 4. Example 2. Simplify. A bit 18 by 30, B bit 180 by 440. Solution. A. 18 by 30 equals to 18 by 30. 18 is cancelled or reduced to 9 by taking 2 as a common factor, and 30 is reduced to 15 in the same way, and 9 is reduced to 3 by taking 3 as a common factor, and 15 is reduced in the same way, which equals to 3 by 5. B bit 180 by 440 equals to 9 by 22. Types of fractions. Like fractions. 2 or more fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, etc. are all like fractions. Unlike fractions. 2 or more fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 3, 3 by 7, 5 by 8, 9 by 11, etc. are all unlike fractions. Unit fractions. Fractions with 1 as the numerator are called unit fractions. For example, 1 by 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, etc. are all unit fractions.
Proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 5 by 8, 7 by 36, etc. are all proper fractions.
Improper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 38 by 5, 7 by 7, etc. are all improper fractions. Mixed fractions. When an improper fraction is written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, it is called a mixed fraction. For example, 2 6 by 7, 3 5 by 13, 3 4 by 5, 7 1 by 6, etc. are all mixed fractions. To convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Rule: to change a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, multiply the whole number with the denominator and then add the numerator to the product. The result is the numerator of the improper fraction while the denominator remains the same. For example, 7 2 by 5 equals to 7 into 5 plus 2 by 5 equals to 37 by 5. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Rule: to change an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient forms the whole number part. The remainder is the numerator while the denominator remains the same. Equivalent fractions. When you multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, you get another fraction equivalent to it. Example 1. Write 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. Solution: 1 by 3 equals to 1 into 5 by 3 into 5 equals to 5 by 15. 1 into 7 by 3 into 7 equals to 7 by 21. 1 into 10 by 3 into 10 equals to 10 by 30. 5 by 15, 7 by 21, 10 by 30 are 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. Example 2. Replace the box by the correct number. 3 by 5 equals to 15 by dash. Solution: to get 15 in the numerator, we multiply 3 by 5. So, we multiply the denominator also by 5. Therefore, 3 by 5 equals to 3 into 5 by 5 into 5 equals to 15 by 25. Hence, missing numeral equals to 25. Example 3. Write an equivalent fraction of 4 by 7 with denominator 42. Solution: let 4 by 7 equals to dash by 42. Then we have to find the missing numeral. To get 42 in the denominator, we multiply 7 by 6. So we multiply the numerator also by 6. Therefore, 4 by 7 equals to 4 into 6 by 7 into 6 equals to 24 by 42. Hence, 4 by 7 and 24 by 42 are equivalent fractions. To test whether two given fractions are equivalent or not. Two fractions are equivalent if numerator of first fraction into denominator of second fraction equals to denominator of first fraction into numerator of second fraction. Example 4. Check whether 6 by 7 and 18 by 21 are equivalent fractions. Solution: cross multiply as shown. 6 by 7, 18 by 21. We have 6 into 21 equals to 126. 7 into 18 is 126. Thus, the two cross products are equal. Hence, 6 by 7 and 18 by 21 are equivalent fractions. Fractions in lowest terms or in simplest form. A fraction is said to be in lowest terms or in simplest form if the HCF of the numerator and the denominator is 1. Example 1. Show that the fraction 21 by 50 is in its lowest terms. Solution: the given fraction is 21 by 50. The factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. The factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. Common factor of 21 and 50 is 1 only. Therefore, HCF of 21 and 50 is 1. Hence, 21 by 50 is in its lowest terms. How to reduce a fraction to its lowest terms or in simplest form? Rule 1. To reduce a given fraction to its lowest terms, we divide the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by their HCF. Rule 2. Divide the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by their common factors till we are left with only the common factor 1. Example 2. Reduce 30 by 45 to its lowest terms. Solution. Here numerator equals to 30 and denominator equals to 45. Let us find the HCF of 30 and 45. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Common factors of 30 and 45 are 1, 3, 5, 15. HCF of 30 and 45 equals to 15. Therefore, 30 by 45 equals to 30 divided by 15 by 45 divided by 15 equals to 2 by 3. Hence, 30 by 45 in its lowest terms is 2 by 3. Comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions with like denominators and unlike numerators. Rule. Out of the two given like fractions, the one having greater numerator is greater. For example, 6 by 11 is greater than 5 by 11. B bit. 11 by 15 is greater than 7 by 15. C bit. 15 by 28 is greater than 11 by 28. Arranging some given like fractions in ascending or descending order. Rule. 3 or more like fractions can be arranged in ascending or descending order by arranging their numerators in ascending or descending order respectively. Example 1. Arrange the fractions 5 by 26, 17 by 26, 3 by 26, 15 by 26 and 7 by 26 in the ascending order. Solution. We know that 3 is less than 5, 5 less than 7, 7 less than 15, 15 less than 17. Therefore, 3 by 26, 5 by 26, 7 by 26, 15 by 26, 17 by 26. These fractions are in ascending order. Comparison of fractions with like numerators and unlike denominators. Rule. Out of the given fractions with same numerator, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. For example, 7 by 9 is greater than 7 by 12. B bit. 5 by 9 is greater than 5 by 14. C bit. 14 by 27 is greater than 14 by 35. Example 2. Arrange the fractions 7 by 17, 7 by 11, 7 by 12, 7 by 36, 7 by 9 in the ascending order. Solution. The given fractions have the same numerator, so the one with larger denominator is smaller. Now, 9 is smaller than 11, 11 is smaller than 12, 12 is smaller than 17, 17 is smaller than 36. Therefore, 7 by 9 is greater than 7 by 11 is greater than 7 by 12, 7 by 12 is greater than 7 by 17, 7 by 17 is greater than 7 by 36. These fractions are in ascending order. Comparison of fractions with unlike numerators and unlike denominators. To compare two or more fractions with unlike numerators and unlike denominators, we follow the steps given below. Step 1. Find the LCM of denominators of the given unlike fractions. Step 2. Convert the given unlike fractions into equivalent like fractions with the LCM as common denominator. Step 3. Compare the like fractions so obtained. If one or more of the given fractions is or are mixed fractions, convert them to improper fractions before following the above steps. Example 1. Compare 6 by 9 and 7 by 12. Solution. The given fractions are unlike fractions. LCM of 9 and 12 equals to 3 into 3 into 4 equals to 36. Now, 6 by 9 equals to 6 into 4 by 9 into 4 equals to 24 by 36. And 7 by 12 equals to 7 into 3 by 12 into 3 equals to 21 by 36. Therefore, 24 by 36 is greater than 21 by 36. Hence, 6 by 9 is greater than 7 by 12. Example 2. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. 5 by 8, 3 by 4, 7 by 24, 1 by 12. Solution. Given fractions are 5 by 8, 3 by 4, 7 by 24, 1 by 12. We shall change them into equivalent fractions with a common denominator. This common denominator is the LCM of 8, 4, 24 and 12. Therefore, LCM of 8, 4, 24 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equals to 24. Changing each of the given fractions into an equivalent fraction with denominator 24, we get 5 by 8 equals to 5 into 3 by 8 into 3 equals to 15 by 24. 3 by 4 equals to 3 into 6 by 4 into 6 equals to 18 by 24. 7 by 24 equals to 7 into 1 by 24 into 1 equals to 7 by 24. 1 by 12 equals to 1 into 2 by 12 into 2 equals to 2 by 24. Therefore, 2 by 24 is less than 7 by 24. 7 by 24 is less than 15 by 24. 15 by 24 is less than 18 by 24. Hence, the given fractions in ascending order are 1 by 12, 7 by 24, 5 by 8, 3 by 4. Maths Lab Activity. Learning Objective. Understanding equivalent fractions by paper folding. Materials required: 6 paper strips of the same size, crayons, pencil and scale. Procedure. Step 1. Cut out 3 strips of equal size. Step 2. Fold the first strip into 3 equal parts. Then, unfold the strip and draw lines along the folds to divide the strip into 3 equal parts. Shade the equal part of the strip to get the fraction 1 by 3. Step 3. Fold the second strip similar to the first strip into 3 equal parts. Then refold the strip into half. Unfold and draw lines along shade of the folds. The strip is divided into 6 equal parts. 2 equal parts out of these 6 equal parts are shaded. Thus, a fraction of 2 by 6 is represented. Now, keep the first strip above the second strip. Thus, we see that 1 by 3 is equivalent to 2 by 6. Step 4. Fold the third strip into 3 equal parts, then refold the strip into half and then again into half. Unfold the strip and draw lines along the folds. The strip is divided into 12 equal parts. Shade 4 parts out of the 12 equal parts. What do you see? 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 6 equals to 4 by 12. Step 5. Now make equivalent fraction strips for 1 by 4 with the remaining fraction strips. Write the set of equivalent fractions.